Hello?
G'day!
Okay.
Again?
Yeah. Hello?
Hello!
Hola.
G'day.
Okay, for real.
That was for real. Go ahead.
Hello?
G'day. Something a little different. Our backstory on how we met.
And how we ended up out here. This is where I grew up.
And this is where I grew up. Brisbane. It kind of looks like Australia, and it's red anyway.
And this is where we met.
In Portland International Airport. This is where we used to live.
This used to be home, downtown Portland.
Not the tiny little hallway where we're in between two
No,
doors.
we can't get into the building.
Inside. We sold off everything.
And bought a sailboat. And this is where we bought our boat.
And we sailed away in May 2016.
You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid. Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right? Right. Wrong. When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on them.
Well, that's not what I was told.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
What?
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
Let's back up a bit. How did all this begin?
Exploring the world has always been a passion of both of ours, which is how we ended up working in aviation, which has great flight and travel benefits.
We met here in Portland Airport in 2012 while launching a new destination for an airline.
For a few years, we enjoyed traveling, taking a few trips together, while also taking some promotions within the airline industry and moving up and down the West Coast.
Eventually, we found ourselves back in Portland trying to buy a house. It was a bad time to be house shopping. The market in Portland was going crazy, and we were getting outbid week after week, slowly getting more and more discouraged.
But in the end, this was a good thing.
All of the discouragement, along with thinking more and more about committing to an ever-growing mortgage, made us realize we weren't super passionate about our jobs and getting caught up in the rat race. We realized we could do something different.
Why do we have to do something the way society traditionally tells us that we have to do something?
We don't.
Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
We decided we wanted to create a new lifestyle for ourselves, one that we were excited and extremely passionate about.
One that would allow us to travel the world at a slower pace, visiting more remote, off-the-beaten-path places, and getting to know a bit about the communities and cultures there. So how do we go from there to sailing a small boat on a big ocean?
Despite having no sailing experience, we decided we wanted to see the world by boat. We made a plan, stuck to the deadline, made it happen.
We tried to be as methodical as we could, sticking to our timeline. In less than a year, we had taken sailing courses, a diesel engine course, did an offshore crew experience, sold Ty's condo, bought a boat, moved on to it, and tried to gain as much knowledge and experience as we could.
And we knew we'd never be completely ready, but the rest we'd learn on the way.
And then we untied the dock lines and we left.
Now, 2.5 years later, and more than 10,000 miles under our belt, we're still going.
The journey has evolved along the way with lots of twists and turns, and it will continue to evolve with more twists and turns as we learn and experience more.
And we love sharing it all with you guys, and we hope you stick around for the journey as it's going to continue.
Thanks. Cheers, guys.
Adios.
Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.